Hey guys, we'll do a quick summary. I would have had a full video on this one. However, the memory card was unreadable and I had to reformat it. It got corrupted. So I had to reformat it. So I'm going to take the pictures and we're going to do a summary. And of course here we will have the foreground, some grass, and off to the side, and some shadow of activity way over here, maybe a tall tree like we have over here, casting a shadow across the road, as you can see. And of course then you have the smaller tree in the field out in the background, and the rolling hills and the vegetation. And of course this smaller tree is also casting a shadow across the road. You also see a little bit of shadow here, but that's because of the position of the sun. So it would obviously depending on the position, depending on if it's here, 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 or straight up, you're going to have a little bit of shadow fall back, and then across, and then the long shadow, call it the long shadow, would cast across the road. And then of course with the big trees here and the foliage, heavy foliage, of course you're going to have, because of the position of the sun, you're going to have the shadow here as well, and it casts across into the field. And then if you look up in the sky, we have the birds, got some closer, further away, further away, further away, further away. And then if we zoom in on the road, let me just zoom in on that. There we go. You got shadows of the dog and the man walking his dog. And so there you go. And I hope you guys like this. This was a study that I took from Steve Cronin on light and shadows, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll go ahead and put this up, and then we'll let's go take a look at the pictures now.